Everybody, this is Darren's trade log from 2 days here. Well, Darren trades from Australia, Sydney, and he's already an experienced trader. I mean, he has gone through the futures trading already. He's really good spotting patterns and trading the markets. Well, this is one of those examples that even when the weeks are not, fantastic, right? We don't see like very strong market responsiveness. We see good market responsiveness. And in 2 days, well, he was able to get with 3 trades to a 20-hour result. Sometimes there's some luck with it, right? In this case, there was a news event that helped him produce a nice multiple. And Darren, with his experience, well, he already applies quite a bit of discretion. Now let's have a look how that went. I mean, Darren describes here how he is a bit exhausted, right? And that was a great week. And well, he achieved his minimum 4-month R goal, right? Being exhausted, well, that's a time to take off, right? A couple of 1 day or even 2 or a couple of days to just regain strength. Trading should be fun. Trading should be easy, not a burden. So fantastic week, 3 trades, 20 hours. Let's have a look at this one. This is all based only on S1, right? So let's have a look at that one. That should have been a 3R but turned into a 0R trade. Well, that's a free trade. This is the pattern. Clearly it's an S1, right? Tight stop. We are trending. We have just tested the well, actually spiked the 200. So that's a make or break trade, right? We have already spiked it. Now for this to work out well, what it needs to not only get there, but spike again and break to a new high. That's a make or break trade. But having a tight stop, well, you get into break even quickly, right? And that's a good thing about tight stop entries. So that went into break even quickly. And as he's written in his comment, he went for dinner. Well, he waited for this to reach the 1.2R level. Then he made it a break-even trade and he went for dinner. Well, that then came back, right, and stopped out. Well, actually the 200 is resistance, right, and it made another spike, and that was it. Break-even trade. Well, this could have run for the next level and the next level. So letting a trade run and see what comes out of, well, it is one of the strategies, right? It's a 1-minute chart. And I mean, a lot of things happen, right, on a 1-minute chart when you're out for dinner. But having the stop in place, well, there was nothing worse than a free trade. Nothing worse. Let's have a look at Swiss yen S1 on the hourly. Well, that was an 8-hour result. Let's have a look at that. Well, he's commenting here that he went in with a discount, right? So the entry had triggered, then it came back towards the initial stop loss, and then he took a trade at a lower level. You can do this, right? It's kind of a discretionary play of an entry, and your stop is much tighter. Taking only those trades is not a good idea, right? Because the best trades are those that enter and run off immediately. Now this is one that there was an entry and then it pulled back. So so Darren took the trade here, right? I'm not sure if he had like half risk, but that's with a discount. You can call that basically a 50% discount, right? If you get in here and only have half risk. So that's entry and this is the stop. I mean, the higher time frames look beautiful, right? All uptrending, all moving strongly. And we can see here how well it came up to the consolidation high. So this is his entry. So it looks like he got in here at the low, right? He still puts the stop down here. So that's basically half risk, and it has made and you can see here the arm multiples. Yeah, entry with a discount. Next one, odd US 5-minute short. Now odd US came from the top-down analysis. Let's just have a look at that. Odd US. Sorry, just to bring it in. This is odd US. This came from the top-down analysis. We had these two directions, right? Either we said, well, it could actually snap back to the moving average, or, and that's what happened, or it can break lower. There was a stop run level, that's what we marked in the top down analysis. We actually saw this happening, right, over the last couple of days. So it looks like Darren took the opportunity to trade this higher time frame opportunity short. So clear, very good momentum move, sideways consolidation, S1 again, very tight stop. You get to the 1.2R level before needing to break to a new low. We don't have a touch here, but remember, a touch is not required, right, by the rules. You can have, and I recommend you to have this extra rule to wait for a touch of 21. It needs to come sufficiently close. Sufficiently close, well, we come to that later. I don't want to bring in this rule now. Go with the rule 21 touch. All down, right? All trending down. And this was a news event. A US dollar news event. We saw the same with the US Swiss. We had this rush lower. So that gave a good number of hours. Let's see. We went from basically from 8, right? Level 8 down to level 18. So the news event gave you a 10 hour. Nice. So more often than not, news helps you in trend direction. And there was another great trade with some luck to get it to the 12 hour. Fantastic week.